Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to auto-generate or increment ID in PostgreSQL database with the help of Spring Boot. So let's get started. So currently I'm having a code for already posting data and connecting my Spring Boot code with PostgreSQL database, and if you want to watch that you can just click on the card that is appearing on top, because in this video I'll be explaining you only how to convert that code and create auto-generating ID from that. So if you are fine, let's get started. So first let me just explain you the code, and this is my table class or the entity which is called as person, and it has three data members: ID, name and email, having ID as the primary key, and these three directly corresponds to the three columns that are present in that table. All right, and next is going to be the repository, standard stuff, and next is the controller where I perform the post operation over here. So currently if I go to my postman, here you can see I am passing the ID, name and email, and if I just send it like this, if I give a random number ID, send it, and go to my PostgreSQL database and run it, here you can see the ID gets posted, but this is not auto generated because I am manually sending the ID in the request body. So now let's see how we can auto generate it. It's super simple. Okay, so first let me just delete the table that I'm having. I don't want this. I want it to be auto generated from the start. I don't want random numbers, so I'm just going to delete the existing table. All right, deleted. Fine. And now I will go to the code. So you will be having your entity class, right? That is that particular model for the table. Okay, so you'll be having the @id annotation for the primary key. So what you're doing is you're just going here and you're just adding the generated value. All right, strategy equal to generation type dot identity. So this basically auto increments the ID. After this, just rerun the application. Yeah, the application has started. So now if I go to my PostgreSQL database and run it, the table would have been created. So if I just refresh, and the table has been created with the columns ID, email and name. So now let's see if auto generation works or not. So just go to postman and the same post operation path and stuff, everything, and here just remove the ID. Okay, don't have ID over here, and send it, and this time you can see I'm getting ID 1 over here, and if I go to my table I'm having 1 automatically added. So if I just do the same multiple times, sending this like 3-4 times like this, and if I go to my table, here you can see the data has been posted. I am sending only the name and the email, and the ID has been auto generated and auto incremented. So let's suppose say we are deleting a particular row. I'm deleting 9. I'm clicking 9 and deleting it, and I'm just saving it. That's it, 9 has been deleted. And now if I send it, it will be getting posted as 10. It will skip 9. Okay, here you can see 9 is skipped because 9 existed earlier and we deleted it, and now we are again inserting the ID should be 10. So it has also that feature automatically included also. And that's pretty much the video, guys. I hope you'd have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of CRUD operations in PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB with the help of Node.js, Spring Boot, OpenAI, Gemini AI API and AI tools tutorials. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.